Unit 2, Week 2 Skill, Character, Setting, Events. The characters are the people or animals in the story. The setting tells where and when the story takes place. The events tell what happened in the story. In this video, you will need your red Your Turn practice book and a pencil. Turn to page 65 when you're ready. Gently tear out page 65 and fold it into a mini book. Follow along as I read the story, Pals, Play, and Hum. Pals, play, and hum. Look at Bug. Bug can hum. Look at Duck. Duck can pluck. Do you see Frog? Frog can drum. Cub plays a jug. The pals have fun. Take a look at page 67. Reread Pals, Play, and Hum, and then follow the directions. Number 1 says write a sentence that tells where Bug is on page 1. Let's go back into the story on page 1 and reread it. Look at Bug. Bug can hum. Let's also take a look at the picture. Write a sentence that tells where Bug is on page 1. It looks like Bug is in a garden because I see a fence and flowers. So my sentence has to tell that complete idea. Bug is in a garden. Let's write that sentence on number 1. Make sure that you followed all of the directions in the question. It told us to write a sentence that tells where Bug is on page 1. Okay, so the where you need to answer with a location, and that means that we need to tell a place where Bug was, and he was in the garden. Number 2 says write the word that tells what Duck can do. Let's go back into the story where we read about Duck and reread it. Look at Duck. Duck can pluck. Now let's think about the word that tells what Duck can do. Reminder, this is just a word, you don't need the whole sentence. Duck can pluck. So we are going to use this word to tell what Duck can do. Go ahead and write pluck for number 2. Let's take a look at number 3. Write the word that tells what Frog can do. Let's go back into the story to the page where we read about Frog and reread it. Do you see Frog? Frog can drum. So what word tells us what Frog can do? Drum. Go ahead and write drum for number 3. Number 4, write a sentence that tells what the pals do. Let's go back into the story where we read about what the pals do together. Cub plays a jug. The pals have fun. So we are going to rewrite that whole sentence for number 4. The pals have fun, because that tells me what the pals do.